In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat device ban. So the first step is open up your settings. And after you open your settings, go to General. And after you are on your General, tap on iPhone storage. So after you tap on iPhone storage, just go to Snapchat. And what you'll need to do is offload the app. Tap on offload. And after you offload, just tap on reinstall and your Snapchat will reinstall. So now what you need to do is go back to your settings and go to your general again. And what you'll need to do is scroll down till you find date and time. So go to date and time, and if you are on automatic, just turn that off and set your time zones yourself. Now after you do that, go back to the general again, and there you will see language and region. So just go to language and region and go to region, and after you're there, just select USA. So just go to USA, and after you just select United States, your problem will get fixed and you will be able to use your Snapchat again. So it's that simple, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.